This is T Intermediate Math 2, and I'm just going to continue with some examples. Alright, so find the mathematical average of, I'm assuming these ages. Mike is 30, James 63, and Alfred, a whopping 103 years old. How do we find the average? Well, average is basically sum over count. That's what average is. Average. So, just do that. 30 plus 63 plus 103 all over 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So basically, as we work that out, you just work that out, either division or whatever you feel like doing it. I get to use a calculator, you don't. I'm also under the pressure of being recorded, guys. Come on. Alright, let's move on. 3.82 times 10 to the negative 4. The same thing as before, right? You're just going to go 3.82, and notice that this is negative now. You have a negative over here. So what does that mean? That just means we're going to move it to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it out there, fill the rest in with zeros. So now what we have is 0.000382. There you go. That's your answer. And you might want to put a 0 in front of the dot, or the decimal, when you have this situation, because some teachers get picky about it. Alright, let's finish up with talking about my money here. Andrew deposits $2,000 into a savings account with 1% interest per year. How long will it take Andrew to earn $100 in simple interest? Well, you just break this one down just like you would have, but let's first find out what 1% of P, or in this case I'm just going to call it $2,000, equals. Well, that would equal $2,000 times 1%, which is 0.01. And that is just going to be 20 bucks. That is 1%. So basically, when they talk about simple interest, all you have to do is find out what it does per year, and then you multiply it by however many years you want till you get to your goal. In our case, we're getting $20 per year. Therefore, to get $100, that equals $20 times n, which is the number of years. You divide the 20 over, and you'll get n is equal to 5 years. Pretty simple. And it's not too stressful to do a lot of these problems. You just have to feel comfortable with doing with practice. That's pretty much the biggest thing. But I'll see you in the next video. These are all pretty quick.